Yes, we do provide turnkey garage structures. So for us, what that entails is we'll take care of getting the excavation done, getting the concrete poured, and getting the building installed. At that point, you'll have a turnkey structure, but it will not be wired or plumbed, but you'll have a finished shell of a garage. We don't really do a set size. How we found out that everybody wants something a little bit different as far as overall size, window placement, door size, window size. So we pretty much do it custom to what you want. You give us the dimensions you desire, the window count you want, the door sizes you want, and we'll price a package for you. We can provide you a materials kit that would include everything from the framing, the exterior metal, for roof and walls, windows, doors, insulation, and deliver it to your job site. All of our structures that we do as far as our steel frame division is all galvanized steel frame structures, steel walls, steel trusses, and then exterior roof and wall metal is steel as well. So our siding, our standard would be 29 gauge for the roof and walls. Depending on the project and the size, it can be up to a 26 gauge thickness for the exterior metal. The framing depends on the engineering of the structure. It could be 20 gauge, 18 gauge, or 16 gauge on the framing itself, depending on the design. It is. All of our framing is a G60 coated galvanized steel. So for our buildings, we do require a footer around the perimeter of the pads. Our footer depth minimum is 12 inches around the perimeter, and it would be a monolithic pour. So you're pouring the pad and footer all at once with rebar through the footer. We can. So if we know where your lift is going to be and know the specs of your lift, we can accommodate a footer system for that lift. Yes, so we can coordinate that with our concrete guy. Once he has the pad prepped, he has the forms up, he would give you the time to go in and get the plumbing put in that you want to put in, whether it be floor drains or plumbing for a bathroom. Once you have that done, he would come back out and pour the pad. We do not. Gutters and electrical would be done outside of us. You would have to go through a separate contractor for that. There is. So you do have on all your exterior finished metals, your roofing, your wall metal, you have a lifetime finish warranty on those materials. The structure itself, if we do a turnkey garage for you, we offer a 1-year workmanship warranty on the whole structure. So if it's an install that we are taking care of, it can be done 2 ways. As the homeowner of the building, you can pull the permit, or our contractor that does our builds, which is a licensed Tennessee contractor, he can pull the permit for you. For all of our projects, we would require a 50% down payment to get you on the list to be able to install your structure. Through us, you can of course, you can pay cash, you can pay check. We also can accept wire transfer, ACH transfers from your bank. We do not have any in-house financing. There is a couple of options that we can refer you to, but nothing in-house. Our lead times do vary. Our average would be 8 to 12 weeks, sometimes a little bit longer, sometimes a little bit shorter, depending on demand. That time would start from the time that you actually do put your 50% deposit down on your building. That's when your lead time would begin.